Good afternoon, my friends. I want to introduce you this awesome Ferrari California 250 SWV convertible. This car actually is worth 1.5 million pounds. No, it's not, Mr. Wig. How do you know? I just told you. This is a Ferrari California 250 SWV. You lie, Mr. Wig. That is a replica. Okay, I do apologize. Yeah, both of these cars actually, they are replicas. This has been sold actually yesterday for £35,000, and that one is the Aston Martin Zagato, is still for sale for £35,000. I love these cars, by the way. If you can't afford the real, why you can't have that one? Of course you could. It's cheaper to run, the insurance is cheaper. This is based actually on a BMW Z3 2.8 6-cylinder. Awesome car. I'm Mr. Wig. Let's go. Let me introduce you this awesome car. This is a body kit for the Porsche Boxster. Tell me, you took 2 days, is that right, or I'm wrong to say?
This kit, we built the car in 2 days to get it to the show.
Are you kidding me?
2 days, not much sleep, but we did it.
Congratulations, guys. Wow, let me to tell you, we'll have a quick look around in a bit. So any Porsche Boxster, you can have this body kit, is that right? Or I'm wrong to say?
The 986 model.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Wow.
It only fits the 986, but we have new designs coming for the newer Porsches as well.
Oh, I see. So, but that is your first project?
This is the first one.
Where you are based, so people they will know. You are based in Ireland?
Based in Northern Ireland.
Northern Ireland. Where?
It's a little place called Derry City in the north.
Never heard it.
Right
So
in
that
the
is north of Ireland.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. I would think actually, I was looking from there, that actually looks like a supercar, hypercar design. Let me to tell you, I've seen awesome cars, but this one is up there just in looks, guys. A body kit for this Porsche, for example, how much it costs?
The kit is £11,000.
Wow, 11.
You basically remove everything from your donor Boxster.
Okay.
And these are all replacement panels.
Okay.
Just bolt on, and this is the result.
This is so stunning. How much it would cost a full turnkey? Do you have any idea?
They start at around £30,000.
Without the car, obvious.
Without the car.
Yeah,
And
that
then
is stunning.
There's a lot of different spec options that can.
Is it? If I have to rate your car or your body kit, 1 to 10? Well, I wouldn't give you 10. He's looking at me, he's going to give me a black eye soon. I'll give him 11. Are you kidding me? This is outstanding, guys. Aston Martin Zagato GT replica. It's interesting that both cars actually they are based on a BMW Z3 2.8 6-cylinder. Both actually they cost the same price. I love them both. Actually, if this was the original, this car would be worth over £2 million. Let's move here to AC Cobra in blue. Audi RS6, stunning. I love this estate. Porsche 996, stunning in this purple. There's another replica, Ferrari 360, and it looks the real thing, let me tell you. V12. Actually, this car is based on a Ferrari V12 Daytona Spider. Isn't this an awesome replica? Oh my goodness, this is really stunning. It's nice to see always a TVR in a Kitcar show actually. Ferrari replica. I think this is based on a Toyota Mark II, and I know because I had 2 of them and I recognize some of the parts in a car. This is really stunning. You can see the Toyota Mark II dashboard. This is stunning, and obviously the engine is in the back. Stunning, this AC Cobra and this very strong red maroon. The Porsche 924. This is a stunning car.
About 4 years ago.
Wow.
I've had 2 previous, so I've had 3.
Did you brought with the trailer or without the trailer?
With the trailer.
Yeah.
Yeah,
How
so
much something like that is
painted
worth?
together.
Or,
Not a lot of money, to be honest.
No?
About £4,000-5,000, something like that.
That is good. How many
Yeah,
miles? High miles, I reckon.
About 80,000 miles. But
Wow.
it's been looked after.
Is it?
So, yeah.
How many miles do you reckon you can do that? 250?
Oh, blimey, some of them have done over 200. As long as they're looked after,
Yeah.
regularly serviced and maintained, they should go on forever.
Is it? Do you think you can drive on this 3 hours
Oh,
no
it
stop?
Depends on your easy. No
Easy.
problem.
Wow.
You
So
could
that
drive all
I have
day.
done Lanzen to General Growth, guys, on
Yeah,
my Honda CBRX, and it was struggle actually.
Yeah, yeah.
I put high bars, but it still affect my shoulders.
Yeah.
This one should be easier. All of them, they are replicas, is that right?
No, the kit cars, no, they're built specifically of their own, designed back in the early 1970s, went into production in 1972.
Oh, I was thinking this was a
So-
replica. So
No,
it's
no,
not a replica
no,
actually.
No, it's a self-designed, British
Wow.
design by a chap called Richard Oakes, sorry. He was, they first went into production in 1972.
Okay,
So last year we celebrated our 50th anniversary.
congratulations.
So-
A car like this, how much it cost?
They are going up in price a little now, but they've been, in my opinion, they've been very undervalued
Yeah.
in the past. You know,
So what is the
they are.
value for right now? Even they
Depends
still.
on the condition. I mean, if you can come across a roadworthy one that's in fair condition, I
Yeah.
think you're talking about what, 6,000-7,000.
Wow, that is a bargain. American car. That's a Chevrolet ZR1, I think. So I was
He's a new
following.
member today. He's
Is
looking
it?
for one of. He's looking
Well,
for one of these. So you
Oh,
know,
cool.
he's come.
Really appreciate here. Thank you
course.
very much.
No
yeah.
problem, always
Yeah, nice to
welcome.
meet you. And you
Come
too.
and see us wherever you are. Come
Yeah,
up,
yeah,
come
yeah,
see
yeah.
us,
I'll be
come
here
over.
next year, guys, so we can check it out. These amazing cars. Bye bye for now.
Right. Cheers.
Corvette ZR1. I love these V8s, by the way. They do sound amazing. They do look incredible. Look at that engine. I'm here in Malvern, in the county of Worcestershire, for the Kitcar show. This actually used to be done in Stoneleigh in Warwickshire, and they move it here. Actually, they used to be much bigger. Here it's still big, but it doesn't look as big as it was where they did in Coventry. Now the thing is, for you to have a look, for example, behind me there's the Lambo production cars. I like the Ferrari Italian replica cars. They didn't came here. I think they didn't like the change. When there's change, people, they don't appreciate. So I hope next year the guys, they will come here. The problem was that at Stoneleigh, they asked for much more money for this year. What it was a shame really, because I did like, the good thing is I'm here, and here is closer actually to my home. Never mind, there's still plenty of awesome cars there, so I'm going to show you another one. Ultima GTR kit car. Actually, this is one of the fastest cars that you can buy as a replica.
These guys clear, I want you to give them a massive round of applause. Here we go, we got Kane coming in. Yo, very nice. Height number 1. Here we go, pedaling in. Oh, look at that, he's miles over it. All right then, Jack. Let's see what Jack McGuire's got. Yeah, big 360.
So many car clubs or kit car clubs, they didn't turn up like this one, but I count at least 10 different car clubs. Even the Ferrari kit car owners club was just there. There's another here is missing. As you can see, plenty of free spaces. So many of them, they didn't turn up because they didn't like to change from Stoneleigh to here in Malvern and the 3 counties in Worcestershire County. As I'm seeing here, this is the Porsche 356 and other models here gathered together. There is a Jaguar, cool car. This is called the Speedsters Club. Really stunning. I don't have words to say, guys. I'm in the presence of something really special. If somebody would tell me this is a supercar or even an hypercar, I would be blown away. This is a Porsche Boxster with a very wide body kit in it, and it looks absolutely stunning. I feel the owner even he chose the right color. This is based actually on a Ford GT40, if you want to know, but actually looks amazing. This car is outstanding from any angle. I'm going to choose this together with the Ferrari California 250 SWB as my car to the show, but my heart is more for this. This car wouldn't let you down, and it's not about speed and how fast it goes, but for me it's more about the looks. And this car did at the Vavavroom. This car did at the Vavavroom. I'm blown away here by the Kitcar show in Malvern and the 3 counties. This was incredible. Shakalalula. Stay tuned for another 10 years of Mr. Wiggs videos, guys. You are all awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.